Good morning, I'm Agil Putri Ning Tiyar from CNS News will provide you with the latest and most accurate news. BMKG predict an earthquake measuring 8.7 on the Richter scale with a tsunami risk with a height of 29 meters in East Java. Regarding this information, the head of Earthquake Mitigation and Mitigation Division of the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency or PMKG, Daryono reminded the public not to panic. PMKG again asked the local government, especially in the East Java region, to improve preparedness in dealing with disaster because based on the research of PMKG, the East Java region has a large potential for earthquake disasters. But there is no tool that can predict exactly when the disaster will occur. Dwi Korita said in East Java so far, earthquakes have reached 300 to 400 times amount. However, since January 2020, the number has increased to an average of 600 times amount. Regarding the report, the East Java Regional Disaster Management Agency or BPBD note that if a tsunami as high as 29 meters hit the mainland, 9 districts would be threatened. It's Banyuwangi, Jember, Lumajang, Malang Regency, Blitar Regency, and City, Tulungagung, Trenggalek, and Pacitan.